Well, welcome to my cuckoo clock sale. As you can see, unfortunately the minute hands have damaged. They are there to be repaired. I think we did that, transporting it, which is a shame. And I think that mushroom just sits on there. The mushroom there. Okay, but everything else is intact. That's the seconds going round with a little battery on its own. And then if I press the button, you'll see the and you can change the volume to a lower volume. Okay, all intact, all the bits are there, and it's got the name but I can't find any other name, but that says Germany there, so I assume it's a German cuckoo clock. There we go, and there's the other one for sale as well, Blind Scotsman. Okay.